Carcraft Dreamrod began as a design study created by the staff of Carcraft magazine in 1961. Industrial designers Bob Hubbock and Chuck Pelly proposed a futuristic hot rod built largely from production car body panels because original Ford Model T, Model A, and 1932 Ford bodies had become increasingly difficult to find. Their concept, first published in the October 1961 issue, combined classic hot rod proportions with modern styling and predicted a new direction for custom car construction. In early 1963, Bob Larrivee Sr. of Promotions Incorporated, with the support of Carcraft magazine, commissioned renowned custom builder Bill Cushenbery to transform the drawings into a real automobile. Cushenbery accepted the project after completing his famous silhouette show car and stayed remarkably faithful to the original concept while refining details that worked better in full scale. The Dreamrod was hand-built on a 1952 Jowett Jupiter ladder frame chassis fitted with a Volkswagen Beetle front torsion bar suspension. Power came from a pre-production Ford 289 V8 paired with a Borg-Warner T10 4-speed transmission. Its body blended components from several production cars, front fenders and doors from a 1960 Pontiac, upper rear quarters from a 1960 Chevrolet Corvair, a roof and windshield from a 1953 Studebaker Starliner, and an inverted rear window from a Borgward Isabella sedan. Inside, Cushenbery reshaped a 1958 Mercury dashboard and incorporated a 1959 Lincoln ashtray. The chassis was finished in gold metal flake, while the body wore desert sand pearl paint with candy gold highlights. Many details demonstrated Cushenbery's craftsmanship. Offset styling, asymmetrical front-end treatment, sculptured roof scoops, custom Nerf bars, a rectangular steering wheel, and sectioned Triumph TR3 seats distinguished the interior and exterior. The Dreamrod also featured an advanced remote-controlled electric system that operated the hood and doors, an evolution of the mechanism developed for the Silhouette. Completed late in 1963, the Dreamrod became a major attraction on the American custom car show circuit. Its popularity led AMT to release a detailed 125-scale model kit, introducing the car to thousands of enthusiasts. By 1966, changing styling trends prompted the ISCA to commission a redesign. Harry Bentley Bradley created the new concept, while Bob Marianich carried out the work. Renamed Tiger Shark, the car received a stretched rear section, enclosed wheel openings, revised front fenders, roof modifications, a hood scoop, updated interior, Craigar GT wheels, and styling inspired by Chevrolet's Mako Shark concept. Although visually dramatic, the Tiger Shark never matched the popularity of the original Dreamrod. In 2005, custom car restorer Mark Moriarity acquired the remains of the Tiger Shark from Dennis Palin. After 3 years of meticulous research and reconstruction, he returned the car to its original 1963 appearance. The fully restored Dreamrod debuted in January 2009 on the Ham B, preserving one of the most influential and imaginative custom show cars ever created.